explorers, adventures, and everyone in between to get to adventure. I hope you're having an amazing day. While you're here, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. This year, I really want to get to 100 subscribers, so please share this with your friends and family. All that said, let's get on to the video. So when this video takes place is in October 2020, when I went down for that one LA trip. The playlist will be in the upper left-hand corner and down in the description if you want to watch all the previous videos from that. Now, I purposely left out the going to pin traders out of the Downtown Disney video because I did have a lot of footage from getting pins, and we did an entire unboxing of pins. So I just thought, since there was a lot of footage, I just made its own standalone video. When we went to Pin Trader, there's a lot of cool pins with some great designs. Some I've seen before, and some I haven't seen before. There's so much variety at Pin Traders, what I like. And pins is one of the souvenirs that is not very expensive, and it's only like $5 to $10 to get a nice pin to show, oh, I got this pin on this trip. It's just a little souvenir that's fun to get at Disney. Now, there are also some mystery box pins that me and my family found extra interest in. So we did get a ton of different pin boxes, mystery bag items. So in this video, we're going to be opening those up and seeing what those are and what we got. Plus, there'll be 5 extra special pins that I was not expecting to see. So, stay tuned to the rest of the video. At the end of the video, we'll be revealing what those pins are and how special they are. Okay, let's start with Abigail's pins. She got the Happiness Is, Pumpkin Paints, and Teacup exclusive limited edition opener pack. Now, these are some really cool pins, and we'll see how the results are.
Okay, I think I'm gonna open the Happiness Is one first. And I got Haunted Mansion.
Oh, yeah. Cool. That's cool one.
And then my next one.
Oh, they're already originally wrapped.
Ah. Yeah. There we go. I got the Mickey hat. And then I'm gonna open the next one. Oh, I got Mickey!
Alright.
I really want the Mickey bar because that's literally my favorite treat at Disney. I couldn't get it today because we got Sprinkles cupcakes, so maybe tomorrow. Oh, I got a duplicate. I'm gonna stick with the Happiness Is. I just want this Mickey bar so bad. And I got the balloons.
Oh, nice.
Not boxes. Bags. Run away. I got another Mickey!
Sweet.
Well, I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the ice cream cone, but maybe next time. I'm gonna go with the painted pumpkins. Oh man, these are very decent sized. Oh, I got this one. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's cute. Oh, it's stuffy. Okay. Nice little pin set over here. See? Oh, I got this one. It's Mike Wazowski and Sully. Oh, I got the bunny with the clock. I mean,
we're gonna be late. We're gonna be late.
Before I open this, I think I want the Cheshire Cat.
Yep.
Okay, I never know how to.
Cheshire.
I never know how to say his name. Okay. Crazy. Oh, look at the twins.
Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
Tweedledee and Tweedledum. And that is a wrap of all the pins Abigail got in her collection. I really like the Happiness Is set because it really highlights what Disney fans are all about. Find much enjoyment out of the simplest of things, like happiness is a churro, happiness is ears. Very simple things that Disney offers for us, made into a little pin, basically showing our appreciation for Disney, the things that makes us happy. And I think this is very cute, and it's very cool to have see this pin set. Now the pumpkins one, since we went in October, it was Halloween themed. And I think it was a very cool and cute pin set with different Disney characters painted on a pumpkin like you would with a jack-o'-lantern. And I thought it was very cool to see in Pin Trader. And I was really happy with the results that Abigail got. And the Teacup Limited Edition series was also very cute. I think those are like one of the most cute pins you will ever see. Different Disney characters in the teapots. It was very cute. And I thought it was cool too to see some limited edition pins. Now, I got some 2020 exclusive pins, which were actually buy one get one, so I got one free, along with a purchase of one mystery box of 2020 exclusive pins. Along with that, I got the Kingdoms Cute series. Now, let's see what the results of those. So, I'm going to start off with the 2020 series pins. And I'm really hoping to get Brer Rabbit because Brer Rabbit is kind of a rare character nowadays.
You're gonna get bankrupt for that.
I got Sebastian. Okay, I got Sebastian. Is it very from Little Mermaid? Okay, open. There we go. Next 2020 pin is I got Jack.
Aw, Jack.
This one's a really nice pin. I really like how he's shooting the laser eyes, creating the zero. Ooh, I got Chip. I got Chip from Beauty and the Beast. What happened? Okay. Please don't tell me what it is. This is the pin, and I'm gonna look at it. It's Pooh! It's not what I wanted, but hey, I didn't get a single duplicate. Now we're going on with the Kingdom of Cute series.
And which one do you want again? You want the Electrical Light Parade?
I do want the Electrical Light Parade. I got the Yeti.
Harold. Oh, cool.
Harold the Yeti. Harold. Okay. Next one, I got the Eagle Man. I don't know what his name was.
It's from American Sings.
Yeah, from American Sings, which was the predecessor to Carousel of Progress, correct?
Carousel of Progress, and also their animatronics are found in Splash Mountain.
So for now, the animatronics in Splash Mountain are actually from American Sings, this old attraction. Ooh, I got a parrot from, it's either Jose, it could be Jose, I'm not sure.
I think it's Jose.
From Tiki Room and Tiki Room. This is actually
I think it's this one. That's the one I think it is.
It's very nerve-wracking. Oh, I got
I knew it was gonna be a bird. I knew it was.
Now, I'm not a big fan of the designs of the 2020 pins, mainly because it's a year thing. Now, the merchandise Disney makes for years is not the best, but hey, that's what you're getting out of a year to a dated merchandise. And I just got them because they're on sale, and it's because 2020 is such a special year. Now, the Kingdom Cute series of pins were very cute, and I really liked the designs with the different characters and the different landmarks. I thought what on the package really showed cuteness in Disney things, ideas, places, icons, you name it. It It was a very cool series, and I'm really happy with the pins I got. Now that we're at the end of the video, I'd like to show you the mystery, the special, the absolutely crazy pins. Now these pins that we found were sold out like hotcakes. Disneyland's 60th anniversary happened this year, and sadly the park was not open to celebrate this big accomplishment. But they did release a bunch of merchandise to show its appreciation for the park. They had some amazing Disneyland pins, and it was amazing to see these on the shelves because originally they were sold out like crazy and people were overselling them on eBay and Amazon. It was very sad to see that they sold out so fast. By the time I thought I was going to be there, I wasn't going to be able to get any of the merchandise, which Disneyland holds a big thing in my heart, and I have a lot of 60th anniversary merchandise, but it was very cool to see that they had these in stock. So I'll let Gabriel explain to you the details and how they look.
So here the first one is, it's the Main Street Cinema from Main Street, and it has Mickey on it on a wheel, on a little old bicycle, and it says Disneyland 65th, and like a sparkly pearlescent background. Also, these are limited to 2,000, limited edition. All of these are. Right here we have the Mark Twain, and we see one of the triplets paddling a canoe along the river with the Mark Twain. The Mark Twain has a little movement, and then this is also a limited edition of 2000 as well. And then next here we have the Jungle Cruise, which has the little skipper character right there. And if you move this back, then you see the elephant that's squirting out water to squirt onto the guests on the boat, which the boat also can move. Then next, and this is also limited edition of 2000, as you can see from the bottom of that. This right here is Autotopia. And then this also has a movement as well. And then there's Goofy in a little racer outfit. And these are to the style of the original Autotopia cars. The Autotopia cars look a little more different now than they used to be. And this is in a shiny pearl color background right here. And then right here we have one of the most iconic of the rides or vehicles is the Disneyland Railroad, with Donald Duck sporting the engineer outfit for the train, and this also says 65th as well on it. And we don't have all the pins, but these are a majority of this kind of collection or this style for these ones. These were very hard to find.
Thank you for watching this video. If you really liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you liked, which pins was your favorite, which ones weren't your favorite, all those things. And please, if you're there already, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and I'm going to be posting more regular content, so you want to be updated when I post a new video. Please share this video with anybody you think would like this video, and thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of the video. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you later.